It's about 7 o'clock. I've been up for a little bit, but haven't really done too much. Last night I took the time to pack up all the bags for the most part. Today's plan, we're going to try to get to Woodstock area. It should be about 115K, maybe 120K, somewhere in there. Yeah, it's, I don't know, just after, should have been breakfast o'clock. I went down there for the complimentary hot breakfast. Was there any bacon? No, there was no bacon. Is that a complimentary hot breakfast? No, it's not. All right. Hopefully this coffee can power me to the breakfast spot. I just stopped at the pizza twice here in Nakawik. It was very good. Had some garlic fingers. Very nice views here. Nice ride up along the river just to get to town. The only thing I didn't like was the bumps on that road, which I'll be going back down. I got about 50k to go, just a little less than 50k to go to get there. I added a couple kilometers coming out here. So far the weather has been beautiful. Hopefully this is what we get to continue with for the rest of the day. Well, I didn't go too far up the road, but I'll come to this pedestrian bridge down this long stretch of really narrow road. It's like almost, it's just like an abandoned road. It's kind of cool. So it seems quiet here. I'm going to take myself a little break and then I'm going to carry on.
made it to Woodstock at the Connell campground. It's pretty much just a patch of grass by these trees. But honestly, I don't even care. I'm not even going to bother with a fire. Just going to chill out. I'm going to get my stuff set up and call it a night. It's about 9 o'clock now. The sun is just going down. Once that sun goes down, I'll go to sleep.